Here's a great deal on a 2008 BMW 650. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power convertible roof, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.